Good morning. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. As promised, we are going to go through the In Search of God books and use the meditations before each of those lessons. If you ever have the opportunity to do an In Search of God group and work with this material, phenomenally powerful. You can find out more at the Edgar Cayce Association in Virginia Beach. But today's lesson is lesson number 1 on cooperation. And once we move into the silent part of the meditation, this is the affirmation I will give. I'll read it to you, and then we'll go into a silent period, and you'll allow to come to you whatever comes to you. Also, a reminder, today starts our 30-day manifestation challenge. So somewhere around 7, 12, 1, and 6, 7, I'm just going to do a quick reminder. You don't have to do them at those times. Remember, it's just to manifest 3 times a day. Okay, so as always, we begin with the Lord's Prayer and the prayer of protection. We then go into a guided part of the meditation where I will read the affirmation and we will sit in silence. When we are finished with the silent period, you'll hear the chime, so you know I'm going to begin speaking. As we close, we roll the energy from our feet up in our mind to the top of our head and from the back of us, doing the same thing, imagining we're rolling the energy back up and over to our third eye. This reestablishes us, and we close completely with the 23rd Psalm. Let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and begin scanning your body, and notice if there's any place where there is tightness, discomfort. Just bring your attention to those places and invite your body to relax and let go. Notice how powerfully your mind moves your physical body into a state of relaxation. Mind is the builder, our thoughts are things. Now let us bring our attention into the center of our body and notice there is this beautiful light of energy that flows from above us into our head, through our body, and out our feet. This light is carrying everything we ever need, everything we ever desire. It is carrying all the gifts from the divine always to us and through us. As we stand in this light, let us begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Standing inside that beautiful light that flows through us continuously, let us expand it, make it larger, allow it to expand outward, moving till it encompasses and encircles your entire body. So now it is flowing through your entire body and even right outside of your body, as if you were standing in a cylinder, totally encompassed, totally being renewed, every cell feeling this beautiful vibration of divine energy, every emotion, whether good or bad, just releasing itself, every thought being floated away. We take a deep breath and we begin with the affirmation. Not my will, but thine, O Lord, be done in me and through me. Let me ever be a channel of your blessings today, now, to those that I contact in every way. Let my going in, my coming out, be in accord with that thou would have me do. And as the call comes, here I am, send me, use me. And as we begin to pull ourselves back in, let us be grateful for this moment. In our mind, lean down and start to pull the energy upward by stitching it in with your hands, rolling them in front of you to the top of your head, and back down behind you, starting at your heels. Just imagine rolling it in and bringing it up over your head to your third eye. And as we bring our attention fully into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I hope you join us for the 30-day challenge. Write down those manifestations that you want to create over the next 30 days. So by December 23rd, all your wishes do come true. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye now.